Hi friends, once again welcome back to Learner's Corner. Today the topic of my video is Valence Stevenson's Sunday Morning. So you all know that Valence Stevenson is one of the important poet of American modernist poet group. His lifespan is in between 1879 to 1955. Stevenson's first period of writing begins with his 1923's publication of the Harmonium Collection, followed by a slightly revised and amended second edition in 1930. And our poem Sunday Morning is also included in Harmonium Collection. His best known poems include A Rose of Autumn, Anecdote of the Jar, Disillusionment of 10 o'clock, The Emperor of Ice Cream, The Idea of Order at Key West, Sunday Morning, Snowman, and 13 Ways of Looking at Blackbird. So these are the famous poems of Valence Stevenson. Our poem Sunday Morning begins with a description of a woman spending her Sunday morning sitting outside rather than going to church. She feels a bit guilty for not going to church, but with the beauty around her, she feels fine. And in the following line, we could see that the lady is going under a daydreaming and she gets into a serious thought about the death of Christ, and she traveling along with many souls to visit the tomb of Jesus Christ in Palestine. Suddenly, she entering into a skepticism about Christianity. She believes that the nature is provide the same comfort just like heaven if one is happy and content with the emotion and experience in life. She declares straight out that God or divinity isn't to be found in comforting thought about Christ or heaven. It lives within herself. After all, these thoughts have origin in her. In the third stanza of the poem, the poet compares Jesus Christ with Jove, the most powerful Roman god. The poet thinks that the worship of God is a love towards nature and beauty of earth. In the in this part of the poem is concentrating on Christianity and Christ. Jove is introduced in this stanza in order to contrast it to the Christian beliefs. Because Greek and Roman mythology or myth are the other big religion in the history of Western civilization. In this stanza, poet presents the information contrasting with Jesus Christ, who had human birth from his mother Mary. Job was born with a god and had an inhuman birth. In the first stanza, the speaker was a lady, but in this stanza, the poet himself is speaking directly to us or to the women having breakfast, and gives more reasons for why Job is human, unlike Christ, who was both human and divine. And in the following line, the poet speaks that the ordinary people are responsible for giving birth of these myths of Job. On the symbolic level, they give life and blood to the myth. As we are descended from those ancient people, we are also related to this blood of myth. And the poet asks, shall our blood flails? Whether our stories and myth fail to give same comfort as we believe in paradise. And further, the poet asks to us, use our knowledge to view the nature as a kind of paradise. And the poet feels that as Jove is considered to be represent the sun and sky, the worship of Jove is an expression of love towards nature. And in the following line, the woman feels that she need to believe in happiness and beauty, which would last forever. However, the poet says that no beauty is everlasting and it is encompassed to change. The change here is death, but still, with the death, there is new beginning to another. Lastly, the poet responds to a question raised by the woman. I don't just want to be happy, I want to be blissful, and I want to feel that way all the time. The poet says that man lives for present, is not worried for tomorrow. Similarly, the woman realized that there are no soul along with her, and the tomb of Christ is still fine. Though the poem of Steve conveys the message that even though paradise is thought to be the most beautiful place, trust and belief in God is above all that, and humankind should all understand and think in depth about God and the strength involved when being with God. So I hope you have understood something about this poem. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like the button. Thank you.